Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. Essentially, I'm going to be covering finding a product to recommend, grabbing your affiliate link and adding it to the YouTube videos, and we're also going to be covering building it into your content strategy, as adding relevant Amazon affiliate links to your videos is 100% a legitimate way to monetize your content beyond just ad revenue. So without much further ado, let's get started. So the very first step is finding products that would actually be useful or interesting to your target audience. Don't just randomly promote junk, it's a surefire way to tick people off. But for the sake of the example, let's say I run a tech channel focused on reviewing smartphones and accessories. In that case, phone cases and other mobile accessories would make perfect sense for me to recommend via the affiliate links. So I will head over to Amazon and simply research some items for something related to phone cases or iPhone 14 Pro. And as I browse the results, I'm looking for a quality product from a reputable brand that I could genuinely get behind promoting to my viewers. Maybe it's some kind of a special case that will offer excellent drop protection and grip, or perhaps I would want to spotlight a stylish, thin case that would keep things sleek and minimalist. The key is finding items that align with your channel's niche and resonate with the type of content that you produce. That way, your affiliate promotions will feel natural and add value rather than being out of place sales pitches. And once you've identified some solid product options, it's time to get special Amazon affiliate links. So if you don't already have an Amazon Associates account set up, you will need to do that first by submitting the application form. It's pretty straightforward and easy to get accepted into the Associates program. And with that account active, you should see the handy site strip toolbar appear alongside product listings on Amazon's website. This toolbar contains tools for grabbing your affiliate link code to that specific product. So once you see the site stripe, simply click get link to copy the shortened affiliate URL. And then you'll be ready to start promoting that product. Amazon offers some basic analytics in your associates dashboard to track clicks and commissions earned as well. With your affiliate link copied, head over to YouTube and then pull up the video that you want to add the link to. Simply navigate to the editor for that video listing that you have already uploaded. And then you would have a couple of options for where to place the Amazon affiliate link. Of course, the video description is a great, obvious spot since that's where most creators put product details and links already. But you can get even more active by adding the affiliate link as a pinned comment or an actual card overlay on the video itself during periods when you're showcasing or discussing that product. Whichever placement approach you choose, just be sure to clearly indicate what the link is for. I highly recommend adding quick context like check out this phone case that I recommend on Amazon, which makes it more obvious to the viewers. And you could even take things a little bit further by creating dedicated videos that are essentially more robust video reviews or buying guides around certain categories of products. Think of titles like the best iPhone 14 cases in this year or something similar. With videos like that, you can pepper multiple different affiliate links throughout the description, giving viewers options to check out a variety of different cases and accessories that you recommend. And to really maximize your affiliate earnings, you will want to create a cohesive, intentional experience around your promotions. Never just randomly drop links here and there in a sloppy way. And what I mean by that is make sure that you're clearly showcasing the product and explaining why you recommend it within the context of your video's content. Viewers should understand the utility and value that you're endorsing. You could even set up a dedicated Amazon storefront or a store through your associates account. And this will let you essentially create your own curated product listings and shopping experience to share with your audience. And then as you produce videos around these products, you can link directly to your storefront or specific category pages rather than just individual product links every time. It creates a much more streamlined branded shopping journey for the people that are watching you. And then over time, as you continue adding new videos and affiliate links in a strategic, value-driven way, you will gradually but surely build up a robust source of passive income. The keys are creating high-quality content around the products that you recommend, being upfront about using affiliate links, and putting into how your affiliate promotions integrate with the overall viewer experience. If you stay consistent producing this type of review, tutorial, and product advisory content, you could be looking at a great stream of commission income. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.